So a completely new video from our channel. All of you are welcome inside. Today we talk DC Universe's first and the latest movie is about Superman. The Superman movie releasing in India tomorrow. It has happened on the 11th of July, and with its release, this movie is very good as well. The response is getting more and more super. Hero fans are watching this movie. They all are liking this movie very much. Is even if I talk about myself, I also like this movie very much, and it the biggest reason is that in this movie, James Gunn reveals Superman's origin. No time has been wasted. Rather, this dot ko to meku block ko, the movie tells us directly the story of such a Superman. Shows itself on the meaning which it has been 3 years since Superman was declared have been done. That is, the Superman of this movie. It has been before the world for 3 years. Balance. Friends, let's talk about the music of the movie, of action scenes, CGI or VFX, or talk about the overall story of the movie. All these things are very good, and that's why in today's video I'm going to tell you about this. The story of the whole movie is for all of you. I am going to explain so that you all get home. Knowing the story of the Superman movie so that we can enjoy. So friends, if you like the story of the video and movie, then you must like the video. If you like Superman, then please comment below. Do write Superman, and those of you who haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe to the channel quickly so that you can get all the latest updates of our channel. Be the first one to see the video. So come again now. Without further delay, we will celebrate today's amazing. Let's start the video. Zombie apocalypse. Music. So the Superman movie begins from Antarctica, and of this Antarctica, the movie starts in a snowy area. Before we get into a story about Superman, listen to the announcement, and this announcement, from this we come to know that the story of the world was shown to us in this movie, going inside that world till now. What all has happened? Here we do it. Do you know that in this world 300 years ago, meta-humans gradually by year ago started to appear, and meta-humans, i.e., such people who look like ordinary people, kind, but his physical strength is like that of a normal human being. It is much more than but 300 years already as meta-humans on Earth. It started appearing as soon as they arrived, a new world of gods and demons. The time has come. Now friends, basically inside DC, those who are superheroes are considered gods and that is why the meaning of gods here is the meaning of DC's superheroes and monsters. They are the supervillains of those same superheroes. But now further we hear that today, 30 years ago, from the present time, 30 years ago, from an unknown person in outer space, a spaceship from the planet will fly straight to Earth, fell, and inside that spaceship there was a little kid named Krypton sent directly to Earth from a distant planet. And when this child came to Earth, he was raised by an American farmer family. I raised him, and then 3 years ago, the child who grew up, saw the world, announced in front that he was a man named Superman. He is a superhero, and this is the Superman of the world, the most powerful of all meta-humors. And then after that announcement, that Superman took the responsibility of protecting the whole world came. But now, 3 weeks ago, a country named Bolivia occupied Jaharanpur, tried to capture it, but Superman stopped the country of Bolivia from doing so, and that Bolivia country's government is from Bolivia against the president and the army of Bolivia. Gone. The reason why Bolivia stopped, but the whole world was impressed by this action of Superman, raised the question, but it's 3 hours from now. Previously, a meta named Hammer of Bolivia, humans inside the city of Metropolis, attacked Superman, and just 3 minutes ago, We saw Superman for the first time ever, lost in some fight. And now after that, we let's see the present scene of the movie. Now this, as the present time begins, we are Superman in the ice of Antarctica, where Superman is covered in blood and very occurs in an injured condition. And at this time, it's very difficult for Superman to even move. It happens. And that is why the next moment Superman he whistles, and by whistling he catches his dog, calls out Crypto, and then just a few within seconds we see that Superman's dog Crypto runs away. What happened is it comes over there and this Crypto is here, but after coming first of all with Superman starts playing, but later Superman saves him. He explains that he should take her away from here and take him straight to his home. So the next moment Crypto can use his mouth to steal Superman's cape, grabs him and drags him to a nearby, takes us to the place. And we see that too, that as soon as Superman gets there, in the same way, many things emerge from inside the ice. Crystals bursting out of the ice, and then the next moment there's a door. The door opens with a big S on it. There is a mark, and that is why on seeing it, it turns out that this thing is nothing but rather, it is the spaceship from which Superman I had come to the meaning, and that is why behind this door, as soon as it opens, Crypto drags Superman straight to his feet. The tax brings us in, after which, upon coming in, here we see four bots, which are the bots are actually from the planet Krypton. There are robots, and if you pay attention to the robots, then it can be seen that looks like Ultron bots to us, but their specialty is that these people also talk, are able to do it, and that is why people are like, let's see Superman in an injured state. All four of them quickly picked up Superman and take him to a place to treat him. But let me lie down. Thereafter, those people, let's scan Superman's body, whose later they learn that Superman is fighting. Not only did you get severely injured because of but along with it 14 parts of his body. Bones have also been broken. But now, these gods are trying to fix Superman. I will talk about what happens on this planet Earth. The star is the Yellow Sunday. And the Yellow Sunday, the rays are nothing less than a boon for Superman. Not there. Because the light of this yellow sun can heal Superman very quickly and can give it powers. And now do this, for which they used a big magnifying glass. Use of glass and its uses, they shoot sunlight at Superman. So we see that Superman, it gets fixed in just a few seconds, and his body strength is also almost the same as before. As it happens, although friends, all of these at the same time, we also know that from today, 30 years ago, went through this very spacecraft. When Superman was sent to Earth, this Superman's mother and son inside the spaceship ship, father had sent a recording that the last of both of them inside the recording, there was a message, and that is why here we are talking about this message. We also listen to inside this message, Superman's parents tell him that their planet Krypton is now on the verge of destruction, and that is why very soon their planet, it is going to be destroyed. And that is why those people, to your child, i.e. Superman, whose the name is Carl, meaning him away from his planet, sending it across the planet. And that's why now, so Carl has to go and live there, and he, growing up, will live with the people of the same planet Earth. It has to be useful. But yes, son Carl, even after you get the meaning, you're not to forget the planet Krypton and always keep the spirit of your planet Krypton alive. Have to remember this. But friends, we see this, that this is where the message stops, and we know this through Superman's boards. It appears that the actual recording that follows, it's spoiled, and that's why, because when Superman came to Earth, The reason for his spaceship hitting the Earth. This message from his parents remained half, I got it, and the rest of the message got corrupted, was because of which even today Superman is. I could not hear the entire message from my parents. But now, at the time when Superman is here, his treatment is going on right there. Outside the spaceship, we see that DC has a supervillain named the Engineer. He happens outside in the snow with Superman. The spaceship comes around the pipe, and basically, she came here chasing Superman. And so she knows that where is Superman's spaceship located? He and Superman often need to heal themselves. Where does it come for? But friends, he knows that he is Lex Luthor at this time. She is talking to the same Lex Luthor. That Superman has a very big enemy now. Friends, it is possible that here you all. It looks like this Superman movie is finally over. What is going on in the beginning? But I would like to tell you that you are just in the movie. Stay tuned because now you will have to wait for some time. The whole story inside will be revealed. Now friends, in the next moment we see this that Superman is born because of the sun's rays. Almost gets better, and that's why he's without any delay he flies away from there and fly fast and direct to Metropolis City. Comes in so that he can fight the enemy. He was trying to continue his fight with her. Can't do it. But then the scene shifts, happens, and we go straight to the city of Metropolis. And at this time in the city, we see the same. Let's see the hammer of Borivia that fought and injured Superman. And friends, by looking at this hammer, we know that looks like no one else has actually done it. Rather, it was created by Lex Luthor, and he, at this time, sitting inside your office with the help of many men to control her. He is doing it. Now, friends, we all know this. You know, Lex Luthor is much worse than Superman, hates more, and that is why from today, 3 years ago, when he saw Superman, that's right, he did everything he could to defeat Superman and kill him. With his immense money and with the help of technology, many gadgets developed it. He also took a lot of advance. I also formed a team of people, and now all these things with the help of, he is finally able to do such things today. The things that Superman has been able to create today are proving to be a burden on the. This thing is the hammer of Bolivia. Although, friends, what with Lex Luthor Superman? We already know that he is doing this, but why does he hate Superman so much? We will find out things later in the movie. Now, friends, further we see that Superman would have also joined the Metropolis. After which, as soon as he came to the city, the fight starts with the hammer of Porivia. But in this whole fight, let's see all of Lex Luthor's hammer. Programs the action scenes. The reason for which hammer of Porivia Superman inside the fight from. But once again, he overpowers Superman. He lifts it up in the air and throws it down. The end here. But we also know that Lex Luthor, all the fights of Superman have been copied. And every single method of his fighting has to be adopted by you. It is programmed into the system. And similar, because today he has the power to attack every single attack of Superman. The answer is. And that's why in this fight, Hammer of Borvia hits Superman very badly. He defeats it by. Seeing this fight, Lex Luthor and all his team are very happy. Because today they all have together. Superman was defeated to that Superman. Which is the most powerful meta in the whole world. Is human. And that is why, friend, Superman he is in a very injured state. Somehow he manages to hold himself together and he goes away from there. Now guys, Superman, after that we look straight at the Hammer of Borivia. Who can beat Superman and fly straight? And come straight to a faraway place, which is basically the base of Lex Luthor. It happens. But when he comes here, he goes straight to enters the portal, and when he comes out of the portal, When he comes out, he enters another world, goes. But on this other portal, inside the world, we see Lex Luthor, who is here with many of his men. It happens together. Now, friends, this world, by looking at it, we come to know that it is actually there is a pocket universe. That means such a the world, which is exactly our world, but its size is bigger than our universe. It would be very small, and this pocket universe, it is not everyone's cup of tea to access. It occurs. Friends, we know that Lex Luthor is a huge genius who, that the age of course is that of DC Comics. It is inside as well, and that is why there is only one Mango. Even though he is a human, he is like a Superman. Brings the superhero to his knees. And now, because Lex Luthor is such a genius, and he is very rich, so he used his brain to make a had invented by which he absolutely blasted, just like blasted big. It happened at the time of the bang, and friends, we everybody knows that the blast of Big Bang, because of being then the universe's creation had happened, and that's why when Lex Luthor and also blasted the Big Bang explosion. After that, this pocket was created of the universe. After which, Lex Luthor used this, made the pocket universe my base. He started doing all his illegal work here. And at the same time, here he has one of his a private jail had also been built. One such, the private prison inside which Lex Luthor is imprisoned all people who were either would go against Lex Luthor or else he creating trouble for Lex Luthor were. But friends, now this pocket universe, when the Hammer of Borvia meets Lex Luthor, when he comes to meet us, we come to know that his this name is fake and his real name is actually there is Ultraman, and this Ultraman is called Lex by the name of Luthor Hammer of Borivia. Hence, in order to attack Superman, the whole region should go to the country of Borivia. And friends, this Borivia is the same country which that 3 years ago in a country called Jaranpur tried to capture him, but Superman had stopped that Borivia, and that's why Lex Luthor created this Ultraman is named Hammer of Borivia, so that no one would suspect Lex Luthor. Don't do that and try to get Superman attacked. The entire blame is straight away go to Borivia. But friends, now all these after that the scene shifts and we know that this fight of Superman will take few days now. But it's been many days now. It is very peaceful inside the metropolitan city. And then that's why we go straight to Superman. That is his alter ego Clark, who that after getting ready early in the morning, I go straight to Daily Planet. Comes inside of that means his same news, the reporting company under which the individual is an agent. The news reporter works and coming to the office. Afterwards, Clark Kent meets everyone, and it was here that he met Louis Lane, which also happens not only in his office, he is his colleague. But along with this, we also get this. It is also known that for the past 3 months, they are also dating each other. That means that Clark Kent and Louis Lane, both in relationship, is in. But friends, along with this, it also appears that Louis Lane was I know the truth about Kent. That she knows that Clark Kent is the one. It's Superman. And not just his friends. Rather, here we have Clark Kent glasses. Let us also know about it. Actually, you must have always noticed that whenever Superman falls, when Clark becomes Ant, he wears a pair of glasses on his face, and with these glasses, nobody is able to recognize that. While Clark Ant is Superman, and its answer we find in DC Comics, where we were told that Clark Kent's these glasses are not ordinary glasses but real ones. There is such a hypnosis power in them, with the help of which whenever any person when he sees Kent through these glasses, it looks like he is not like Superman. It is seen. And friends, this is what we get in this movie. It is also mentioned inside where we Do you know what Clark Kent glasses are? There are hypnosis glasses. That is why the reason for these, no one knows that Clark Kent is Superman. Although friends, it's only later did we meet Superman's parents. That which Superman gets. That is, Clark calls Kent and gets on the phone. Let's talk to him. Also, that Clark, he also says that he takes out time, came to meet him as he was in the city a lot. I have been meeting him for work for a long time. I am not able to come. Now, beyond that, we, Clark and Louis Lane, and the rest of their colleagues, which at this time is Superman and his equals in journalism. We are discussing the fight which is going on right now. It happened a few days ago. But now, at this time, but they watch a news on television. In the news, in which from Bolivia country, the president is asked whether who is this Hammer of Bolivia, who is from the same, is from the country of. But on hearing this, Bolivia, the president of the country, would have refused to do this, and he simply tells everyone that Hammer of Bolivia is not from his country, and his country has nothing to do with him, but it is some other man who he is using the name of our country. And friends, we all know this. Hammer of Boravia is actually Ultraman, which was created by Lex Luthor. Now, friends, only after this the scene shifts and we see straight ahead the US country Pentagon. And guys, for those who don't know that the Pentagon, what is it? Should I tell them that the Pentagon, basically US country's defense, is the headquarters of the department, and therefore whatever it takes to defend the US country, all the decisions are taken in this. They are taken from the Pentagon only. Now friends, inside this Pentagon we see that here's Lex Luthor in defense of the US country. From ministers and many other high-ranking officials, he comes for a meeting. Now in this meeting, Lex Luthor first tells everyone all his shows robots. Then it will be on display. Shows it to everyone, the engineer dot give, and then he's one of the most popular celebs in the world with his many powerful suits. Shows people what basically Lex, there is Luthor's army, and then after all this, he shows Ultraman that he, the meta-human who fought a few days ago, defeated Superman and then displayed. But by showing all of this and showing their power, Lex Luthor tells everyone that they have a whole team fighting against meta-humans. The army is ready, and if the US government, if she wants, she can use her powerful army, agrees to sell to the US government. But friends, listening to Lex Luthor, the minister tells him that after all this, what is your motive behind things and why do you want to do all this? These things. Next, Luthor hears this and tells everyone in front of him, tells us that in our world today, meta-humus is gradually increasing. And meta-humus is what we commonly eat, far beyond the strength of humans. It is powerful, but all these meta-humors, the biggest headache I get is Superman. And just a few weeks ago, I saw how that Borean country's government, and he went against his entire army. Now further, Lex Luthor says that Bolivia, the country, was doing right or wrong from these. It doesn't matter to us. But it is worth noting that Superman interfered in the affairs of a country's government, and that too only because that decision Superman got it wrong. But think about it, that tomorrow our country, i.e. US country, if the safety of its citizens or its own any deal with any other country for rescue, does it, or some other place, if the military takes action, then the day is not far when Superman will be the first president of our country, will also go against our country and harm the government and the military, and it is obvious that we would never do that. We can let it happen. But this is also true. We can't do anything to Superman. because Superman is the greatest in the whole world. He is a powerful meta-human. But now it's for this I have created this Ultraman engineer, and I have created this whole army of mine so that by using this we can not only make Superman, we can stop him but also control him and arrest him and put him in government jail. Can. Because we all know this, that Superman is a walking weapon. One, such a weapon that can fall on anyone at any time. Nobody knows about it. And that's why we want to let someone like Superman loose like that. Cannot afford it at all. And yes, as far as defeating Superman is concerned, so we have already done that work, because you all will remember that from today. This was created by me during the fight the day before. Ultraman beat Superman very badly. He was defeated by that too twice. And then, friends, from here we also get this thing clear. It happens that a few days ago from today, the attack that Ultraman made on Superman, that was why Lex Luthor got that attack done, so that he could defeat Superman and take over the government. Could prove to the court that his Ultraman was made even better than Superman. It is more powerful. Now guys, Lex, all those sitting in the meeting listen to Luthor. People agree with his words, but they tell Lex Luthor that finally a Superman like person is in a normal jail. It is impossible to keep it, and that is why we have Superman. If we want to control, then how will we do it? Is but this thing. But Lex Luthor still tells everyone that it's his job to deal with Superman. He is his, with the help of Ultraman and his army, captures Superman and then turns him into his he will keep him in the prison he has constructed. Such a prison inside where Superman can come out from, it is impossible. And after that the government wants, so she can interrogate Superman any way she wants. And if he feels like it, he can do it on Superman. You can also experiment, or if she wants to kill Superman, she can do that. Now friends, here we see that Lex Luthor tells everyone in the meeting, he brings it to his point. Only after which, Defense Minister and all the others, the officials agree that they're going to kill Superman at the hands of Lex Luthor. I will hand it over to you. After that, Lex Luthor captures Superman and put him in prison. He will put it. But friends, here are all of them. The biggest question is why Superman holding back at this time is a challenge for their government. Can fire and the public government of USA can go against. All those Lex Luthors, they say that Superman is the Superman of the whole country. He is a hero, and the entire public of the US, she loves Superman so much. And that's why if they caught Superman for no reason, and if he was put in jail, then the public will go against the government. And that is why they're just going to replace Lex Luthor with Superman. Cannot allow for catching. Now, hearing this, Lex Luthor was slightly shocked. He gets angry and sits in the meeting. Tries to persuade people more. Yes. But then only after that we went to the meeting. Inside, looking at DC's Rick Flag Sr., which is a very big part of US country. It's official, and here he is, Lex Luthor. To which he says that actually now I understand that I am hoping you will be behind Superman after all. Why are you lying here? He tells everyone at the meeting, note that we actually have two neighboring countries whose name is Bolivia and the other one is Jaranpur. And of these two, which is Bolivia, this country is based on our neighboring country Jaranpur. Wants to capture something in terms of, a week ago he had launched his attack on Jaranpur. Army was sent but Superman was unable to do so. And Borivali was taken to Jaranpur. Did not allow capture. And if seen that way, this Bolivian country has very good relations with the US. But Lex Luthor of this same Bolivia has much better relations with and such. Because this same Lex Luthor has recently Bolivia country has got a lot of, I have sent weapons, and now it is obvious that More from Bolivia country, Lex Luthor. He will buy weapons only when he can attack Jaranpur. Will use his weapons and he will need more weapons. But now that Superman has taken over their fight, I stopped it. That is why Lex Luthor's business also stopped. And that's why he's somehow not a Superman. Wants to get him out of his way so that he expand his arms business further, can increase it. Now friends, by the way, this thing, hearing this, Lex Luthor would have said yes in front of everyone. And he says that he has come to Bo country, have dealt with arms, but there is nothing wrong in selling arms to countries. In fact, he did this job absolutely proper manner, and that is why it is mentioned here. There is no mistake, but the mistake is Superman, and hence his arms dealing. By doing this, the fact will not be hidden that Superman violated international agreements. He broke the arbitrariness between the two countries. Has done. A country like Bolivia, which is a part of USA, it is an ally country and it is against his government. I have rebelled. Bolivia is a country. He has made enemies and he will go on to create more such enemies, can do all the things, and that is why at least capture Superman and put him in prison. So it is very important. But friends here, but after listening to all this talk of Lex Luthor, even after that, everyone in the meeting said the same thing. That they are directly targeting Superman cannot give orders to arrest, at least until he is the world's superhero. Not at all until then. Now friends, inside the meeting, everyone was talking about Lex Luthor. They refuse. But here Lex Luthor realizes that if Superman is to be arrested, he will have to do anything. In a way, Superman was presented to the world as the villain has to be shown. Now, friends, to all of you, if you remember, the guy in Lex Luthor's team, she is an engineer who is basically a girl. But Lex Luthor has taken over her. By experimenting, a lot was added to her body. All the mechanical things have been fitted, due to which an engineer is a moving machine, and if you remember, this same engineer made the movie Find Superman's hideout in the beginning. And he found out that Superman, where is the spaceship, and for this, Black Luthor goes straight to the engineer and took it straight to Antarctica. Reaches the same place where I saw Superman's spaceship. Now friends, in the ice of Antarctica, where the place where Superman's spaceship is buried, has one specialty, and that specialty is that here comes Superman. Well, it's the spaceship leaps out, and Superman, the doors here open so that Superman can go inside it, and all this is because it is possible because this spaceship scans Superman's DNA. Because of which, as soon as he finds out that Superman has come to her just as she to him, it opens for. But obviously, if the place is opening up with Superman's DNA, obviously if it was anyone other than Superman, if he comes here, then the doors here are for him, will not open for. But friends, let's see how Lex Luthor engineers and arrives here with Ultraman, just like that. In front of all of them, Superman, the doors of the spaceship open and all three entered comfortably inside the spaceship. Let's go. Now by the way friends, why this thing, it has happened, and even without Superman here. But how did the door of his spaceship open? We will also see the impact of this in the movie later. We will find out once we go. But now here it is. As soon as the three come in, first of all, Superman's 4 robots were attacked, and seeing this, all 4 of them became very angry. They only injure them more and they cause sabotage, and not only this, but these people here are Superman's dog, IE. Grab the Crypto and that too. They make him their prisoner. But then after that they are here to see the real face of Superman. They see the message of their parents, which is half the message. It only happens because the other half is spoiled. It had been done, but from Lex Luthor engineer. Saying this, he asks him to recover. After which the engineer completely recovers from the virus and kills Lex Luthor. shows the entire video. After which those people, let's decode the whole video and take a copy of that video with you. But at the same time, inside the Metropolis city, we see that there is a dinosaur like monster attack, and he sees everything in the city. There is sabotage going on. But about it, we learn that it was created by Lex Luthor. Created it and sent it here. And that too, just so that Superman can fight it. I remained busy, and until those people, he is in a spaceship until he can't find it there. And we also see something similar because Lex Luthor doing his job with ease. He leaves from there, but Superman reaches the city. I would have been busy fighting that monster. And in the fight, he not only defeats the monsters, in fact, he gives competition to all the humans. But then the next moment, the Justice Gang is there to support you. The team in which Green Lantern comes, Mr. Terrific and Hawkgirl are. These three also came here and supported Superman. After which all four of them together give this "Let's defeat the monster." Now friends, after this victory, all the people of the city started praising Superman. Start shouting out names. Where someone says, "Hey Superman, you are our hero." Someone says, "Hey Superman, I love you." And everyone is so happy for Superman. But friends, now the next moment is complete. There are as many displays in the city as only one news starts running on everyone. And that news is about Superman. Now friends, we come to know that the Lex Luthor is the one who steals Superman's spaceship. The recording of his parents was taken from. He made that recording with the help of an engineer. I fixed it with this and decoded it. And so that whole recording, showing its full meaning, all the media shows the ones, so that everyone, through the display, people of the whole city can see it, listen to the recording and see Superman's. After listening to the parents, they all know this. It seems that Superman's parents, why was Superman sent to Earth? Complete Superman's parents inside the recording says to Superman that, "Son Carl Hale, you are our son and we love you very much." It's love. Actually, our planet is Krypton, is now on the verge of ruin, and that is why now it is going to be destroyed very soon. And similar, because to save your life, you are very far.
And your Superman movie explanation.
Thank you for watching, superheroes.
If you enjoyed this epic ride with Superman, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Movie Shorts Hub for more blockbuster breakdowns. Until next time, stay super, stay safe, and keep flying high with your favorite heroes.